Inlaylink is one of the world-renowned manufacturers of RFID tag antennas, specializing in the design, research and development, production and sales of RFID tag antennas. In its production line, materials are moved across floors and multiple areas frequently. Manual handling cannot guarantee timeliness and it is labor-intensive, which increases the management cost of materials. As a result, Inlaylink deployed the automated material distribution solutions from Geekplus. Geekplus moving robots realize the automatic distribution of materials across floors and regions in a timely manner. The Geekplus moving system is connected to warehouse management system and manufacturing execution system. Therefore, raw materials and work in process can be traced in real time. In results, the management cost of materials is reduced by 60% and material handling efficiency is improved by 30%.
采用 AGV 这种模式来搬运我们的货物，不仅是减少了我们人力的浪费，更多的是让我们在实物跟账务在那个实时性方面得到了一个进一步的一个提升。当然，吉时家的无论从外观的一些 UI 的设计，包括那个激光的稳定性、二维码的准确性来说的话，目前吉时家给到我们的产品能够达到的标准是在10毫米的一个误差范围之内，已经完全满足我们的一个市场的一个预期，包括跟我们力库的一个接驳，实现完整的一个无缝的一个衔接。这方面应该在整个AGV 的行业中来说的话，产品也算是非常优秀的。